While I add finish to this case, I'd like to tell you about today's sponsor, and that is Skillshare. All of the pieces that were digitally cut in this video were first drawn up in Adobe Illustrator. And if you want to learn how to use Adobe Illustrator or any of the software that I use, I highly suggest you check out Skillshare. There are a ton of classes that range from how to be more creative to very specific step-by-step tutorials. A premium membership gives you unlimited access so you can join the classes and communities that are just right for you. Skillshare has more than 25,000 classes, not just in design, but business, tech, and a whole lot more. Whether you want to fuel your curiosity, creativity, or even career, Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you learning and thriving. Skillshare is also super affordable. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. Join the more than 7 million creators learning with Skillshare, including me. There's a link down in the description to get a 2-month free trial. Thank you, Skillshare. Now let's get back to this Nintendo. There it is. If you don't want to destroy an original Nintendo Entertainment System, or if you don't have access to one, you can get this clone on Amazon for around 20 bucks. It plays old Nintendo cartridges. It's really cool. The electronics in this guy are way simpler. One of the challenges that we had with the NES is these standoffs in here are all different sizes, and so we had to work around that. So if you do go with a clone and remake the case for that, you won't have that issue. And there's far less electronics to work with. We've come a long way in 40 years. The clone is also a top loader, so you could completely change the design on that, where the original NES is a front loading system. If your original Nintendo does not work and you have that blinking light on the front of it, most likely you need a new 72-pin adapter. You can get these on Amazon for around 20 bucks. What would happen is people would blow onto the cartridges to try to get the games to work, and that moisture from your mouth would get onto the game and then onto the 72-pin adapter, and it would corrode and create a bad contact. So you can get a replacement for around 20 bucks. Really easy to install. It's just a friction fit, so no tools. Do not blow into your game cartridges. Your brother was wrong. Don't listen to him. I do have an old Super Nintendo that I want to remake the case for as well. I want to do something completely different than the NES. So if you have any good ideas or suggestions, let me know down in the comments, and I may just use some of your ideas in that video. There are 2 songs used in this video. One was written and recorded by me, and the other by my longtime friend, GoLab. He wrote and recorded the entire song on a Game Boy, so you get the genuine, authentic Game Boy sounds. I'll have a link to his stuff down below. Thank you, GoLab, for letting me use that song. He wrote that just for this video, which is super cool. So if you're curious to know how to bend plywood like we did in this video, my very next video is going to go over that in a lot more detail. If you are new here and you like this video, hit that subscribe button. You might even want to hit that notification bell to get notified when I make new videos, which are weekly. I will see everybody next week with a brand new project. As always, be safe, have fun, stay passionate, and make something.